Sirte District, or Surt District, Arabic, Sirt, pronunciation, is one of the districts of Libya. It lies in the north of the country and borders the Gulf of Sidra. Its capital is the city of Sirte. Al-Tahadi University is located in Sirte. To the north, Sirte District has a shoreline on the Mediterranean Sea and bordered Wahat in the east, Jufra in the south, Jabal al Gharbi in the west and Misrata in the northwest. Per the census of 2012, the total population in the region was 157,747 with 150,353 Libyans. The average size of the household in the country was 6.9, while the average household size of non-Libyans being 3.7. There were totally 22,713 households in the district, with 20,907 Libyan ones. The population density of the district was 1.86 persons per square km. The boundaries of Sirte District have changed several times, most recently in the 2007 Administrative Reorganization of Libyan Districts, see maps. From 1983 to 1987 the Wahat District covered parts of what is now part of Sirte District. To the north, Sirte District has a shoreline on the Mediterranean Sea. As of 2007, on land, it bordered the following districts, namely, Wahat in the east, Jufra in the south, Jabal al Gharbi in the west and Misrata in the northwest. Sirte is an interim destination of a coastal railway from Tunisia to Benghazi that began construction in 2007. Sirte is a part of Tripolitania geographical region of Libya that runs from north to south and has set of coastal oases, plains, and limestone plateaus having an elevation of 2,000 feet 610 meters to 3,000 feet 910 meters. The region receives an annual rainfall of 16 in, 410 millimeters. There are no perennial rivers in the region, but the region is abundant with groundwater aquifers. Libya has mostly a flat undulating plain and occasional plateau, with an average elevation of around 423 meters 1,388 feet. Around 91% of the land is covered by desert, with only 8.8% agricultural land, with only 1% arable lands, and 0.1% of forests along the coastal regions. The climate is Mediterranean, while it is desert climate in all other parts. Dust storms lasting 4 to 8 days is pretty common during spring. Tripolitania is the northwest region, while it is Cyrenaica in the east and Fezzan in southwest. Per the census of 2012, the total population in the region was 157,747 with 150,353 Libyans. The average size of the household in the country was 6.9, while the average household size of non-Libyans being 3.7. There were totally 22,713 households in the district, with 20,907 Libyan ones. The population density of the district was 1.86 persons per square kilometer per 2006 census. There were totally 40,914 economically active people in the district. There were 16,548 government employees, 4,360 employers, 18,303 first-level workers and 215 second-level workers. There were 7,222 workers in state administration, 4,864 in agriculture, animal husbandry, and forestry, 5,126 in agriculture and hunting, 6,803 in education, 6,341 in private enterprises, 1,500 in health and social work, 2,833 in production, 8,037 in technical work and 448 service workers. The total enrollment in schools was 51,336 and the number of people above secondary stage and less than graduation was 2,740. As per the report from World Health Organization, WHO, there were 1 communicable disease centers, 5 dental clinics, 1 general clinics, 2 inpatient clinics, 6 outpatient clinics, 45 pharmacies, 42 PHC centers, 1 polyclinic, 1 rural clinics and no specialized clinics. Sirte District shares its name with the city of Sirte, the historically most important city on the Gulf of Sidra. These names derive from the Greek name for the Gulf, the Great Sirtness. Libya became independent in 1951 from the colonial empire and generally known for its oil-rich resources. As a part of decentralization in 2012, the country is administratively split into 13 regions from the original 25 municipalities, which were further divided in 1,500 communes. As of 2016, There were 22 administrative divisions in the country in the form of districts. References